Hi, I'm Madame Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. So Catherine says, do you have any spell tips for successful negotiations? Absolutely. Absolutely. First thing that comes to mind is candle spells, right? Fire, air, earth, water all come together in candle spells, all the elements. And candle spells are a fantastic way to do a spell that sends a real powerful energy toward a topic. In this case, your topic is negotiations. So negotiations are people talking with one another, even if you're doing it over email, even if you're doing it, in some formal way, you're still communicating with one another. So what I would suggest for this is to have lips candles, which represent that communication. One representing, let's say it was you negotiating with your boss. I'm just going to make up something. You could have yellow lips candle for you and a yellow lips candle for your boss. Yellow is the color of success. You want successful negotiations. So 2 yellow lips candles put together in a spell can be fantastic. Now, you could use a spell kit, which would be like, for example, the Gift of Gab spell kit, which comes with 1 candle, and you could choose a yellow lips candle for that Gift of Gab spell kit, and then add an additional yellow lips candle, and then just use the spell kit for both of those candles on the tray together. You can also add a booster pack to make it a deluxe spell. The booster packs have extra support candles, they have extra herbs, extra oils, they have gemstone, they have petition paper, they have a little nail for inscribing, they have all kinds of extra things to really make your spell very deluxe and very customized. This can customize the outcome of this. So let's say that your negotiation was for money. You could have an abundance booster pack around it, or you could have an attraction booster pack around it, or you could have a success booster pack around it. You can go in a lot of different ways. So yellow lips candles for successful communication, and then protection booster pack, the generosity booster pack, the abundance booster pack. I mean, you can put that around it to really make this gorgeous, beautiful, curated, customized, bespoke, gorgeous candle. So that could be a way of working, would be fantastic thing for your negotiations. That's a great way to work. Fantastic way to work. No problem with that one. It will be very, very good for this situation in particular.